Hi, I thought I'd do a comparison video for anyone's interested in the Class 66. There's two 66s here, 66001, which is the newer Accurascale model, and 66740, which is the Hattons model, which has been around for probably about 3 years now. The Accurascale model, the EWS one, this is their exclusive edition loco, together with I think it was Evening Star they did as well. It's been slightly modified by a very good friend of mine who does weathering and detailing. It's been lightly weathered, and also the grills have been painted black. It comes with red grills. The first one was delivered with red grills, but this is for my my China clay model Melon Goose layout downstairs, and that's run between 2000 and 2005. So the grills being black is appropriate to that period. The other model on the left hand side is the Hattons example. I recently got this from a good friend of mine who bought a few when they reduced the price of them drastically a couple of years back now, and he's decided after a period of time that he wanted to thin out his collection, asked me if I'd be interested in one, and I was wanting a GBRF model, so I bought it from him. He's only run it a handful of times, and it's basically in condition, as delivered condition. I've sorted out the axles, which were a problem that bestowed the Hattons model, which was a shame, because it's a very nice model, but maybe an evenings to work, and you can get this sorted out by enlarging the holes which the axles rotate in. And on this particular model, on the axle boxes, I've filed a little bit away so it doesn't rub at all now, and it runs pretty well. The reason why I've done this video is I wanted to show you the difference in the sound. So if we start up the Accurascale model here, it takes a little while to get going. So bearing in mind the sound settings on these are as delivered. So this is the standard Accurascale model. I haven't done anything with the sound, and likewise with the Hattons model. So that's the Accurascale one. Bearing in mind the main difference between these is you've got the lift out section at the top here now, whereas before, if you wanted to put sound in or anything like this, if you didn't have a sound model, then it's a case of taking off the body. So in some ways that's a bit of a step up in that respect. The difference is that one has an EM2 speaker. So that's the Accurascale one going now. And right, let's start the Hattons one up. As you can hear, it sounds a little bit different. A lot more bass to the Hattons model with the EM2 speaker that's in there. Right, let's take the Accurascale one and make that move. and then the Hattons one. As you can hear, there is a big difference in the sound. I have to say that the Accurascale model, I suppose, features as a step up with the roof coming off, being able to get to put the chip in, etc, etc. But the Hattons one, that extra sound, it's still got it in my opinion. So, which is the better Class 66? I would say it's about a draw. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care.